Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to 2018. I hope you had a great New Year's and a great Christmas on top of that. And you know, this year is going to be epic in so many ways. I wouldn't even know where to start. But I started this weekend by crashing the OpenRC Mini Quad, because crashing is apparently what I do. And as I'm not the greatest pilot, you know, happens. But on the plus side is that the only thing that broke was the run camera mount. Came off like that. Other than that, I could just keep flying, but you know, no HD footage, which is boring if something happens. But I did get this crash on tape or video or whatever you want to call it, so you guys can watch. You know, I really like the FPV flying. It's really fun and I want to progress more on that. But I feel that there's something holding me back, and it's the goggles. I got these Eachine EV100 goggles from Banggood. They were like 80 bucks or something. Really cheap, but they're simply not working, and I feel that I can't trust them, and I want to be able to rely on the equipment more to feel comfortable and trying new things. So therefore I've bought a new pair of goggles. They're more expensive, but I hope they will help me to progress more if I can count on or rely on the equipment I'm using. So I will keep you posted on that. Once I get the goggles, I will tell you all about that. Until then, please watch, enjoy the footage and the crash that will obviously end up in the 2018 review. And if you missed the best of 2017, watch it. I'll post it here. And thanks for watching this first video 2018, except for the 3D printing rocks video, and I will keep you updated on that as well in another video. So stay subscribed, like, share and all that stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.